Well, good morning, guys. It's Chuck here, outside Screwball. Thanks for stopping by the shop. It's New Year's Day, so Happy New Year's to everybody. For all you guys in the winter areas, it's a little cold here today in the San Francisco Bay Area. About 30 degrees outside, and in my shop here at 703 it was 45 degrees. And you can see is 724.50, 750, 54, 815, 57, 836, 58 degrees. And just to move the camera here, I have a 220 volt electric heater down there with a blower on it, and got the thermostat set right and was basically staying at 58 degrees, which was comfortable working temperature. Here at 10:30. It actually got up to 62, 63 degrees in here, and I shut it off. Currently 61. Anyway, playing around out here today in the shop, and I did a little build here, and show you what I built. If you recognize this is part of an attachment to an F-clamp. This is a picture of a strong hands, and I decided to try to make one today. So let me relocate the camera and we'll talk about it. Well, you can see there's the picture off the web, and there's really no scale. Here's another picture of, they make two units, a small one and a larger one. This is the actual larger clamp, and that's what I was working on building. And so what I did is I drew a quick drawing of what I thought the size should be of the two parts, just so I had some reference to build from. And I initially, actually before I drew the drawing, I actually had just drawn some pieces out on some metal and did some rough bandsaw work just for scale and size. To get some sort of idea. What I have is I've got a couple of pieces of tubing here. This is 1-inch square tubing, 16 gauge, and then I've got a piece of 1 1/4 tubing, 12 gauge. So this is the shoe, and these would be the swivel clamps. So what I did is, using the surface plate here, it's real simple to go ahead and mark and lay out all the cuts and lines and things. And I've put together a couple of pieces. Here they are here. And let me assemble it, and I'll bring you back. Seems to, scale-wise and everything, it seems to work well. I was doing some of this on the mill, but the majority of this is all bandsaw work, a little bit of belt sanding wherever I can get the belt sander on it, and then file work. Be right back. Well, here it is, the clamp being put to use. That's a piece of about half-inch rod in there. Holds it firm. I don't think it can go any smaller than 1/2 inch. Let's take that out and let's go up the ladder a little bit. Here's a piece of 1 inch. Sits down nice in there. Works really well. Nice and tight. Here's something at about 3 inches. Looks like it's fitting well. Happy with that. And even up to something, this is about a 5-inch hoop, which that's almost flat there, but as you can see as I tighten, it's not too bad. It's probably beyond its max there. There we go. Anyway, thought I'd show it to you guys. I had some fun building it. Got to make some more and find an easy way to produce them is my goal. Anyway, having some fun out here in the shop on New Year's Day, and hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great day. Well, just a follow-up, of course, is every time I shut the camera off, I think of something. So the Harbor Freight clamps don't come with the hole here. So I drilled and tapped a hole in the piece here for a 5/16 bolt. But drilling and tapping that hole, and I may make adapters, it does give you the ability, come on, start, honey. Oh, that's nice. Maybe that's the wrong size bolt. Duh. Okay, let's try a 5/16 bolt instead of a 3/8. So you can have a bolt in there. Now if you needed to reach up inside of something, so this is just a piece of channel that I have, but if you needed to reach up inside of something to clamp it, you can have an extender on there, which gives you the ability to clamp that by using the bolt through there. So that's just another alternative, a way of reaching in on things, which of course Strong Hands shows you that. So I may build adapters. And then secondly, what Strong Hands shows is if you put this on the opposite side, now you have the ability to spread things also. So that's my closer on this. Again, thanks for watching, guys.